Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to the how-to video. In this video, we're going to talk about the daily routine that I like to use with the US Daybreak Strategy, why I do it, and what platforms I use and what orders I use. So I like to start out with TradingView. It's a charting software. It's internet-based, which is nice. So it's very user-friendly for like Macs, PCs, cell phones, tablets, etc. It's great for teaching. I like to teach people, so it's wonderful for teaching. Now, I look at the Nasdaq 100 E-mini contract, and what I focus in on is what's called the 9 to 10 o'clock 1 hour candlestick. Now, I use a indicator called Josh Martinez-US Daybreak Strategy, which is going to outline my entry, my stops, and my limits. Now, right away from the back test, which is purely hypothetical, but we use it for research, from January 1st, 2024 to May the 21st, 2026, this had 475 qualifying buying ideas. This has worked 469 times. Pure hypothetical, doesn't win all the time. We use it for research. Wins a lot, lose big, win a lot, lose big, win a lot, lose big. This strategy, the risk is bigger than the reward. The reward is smaller than the risk. It just wins a lot, and I like it. It's on a wonderful win streak since January 1st of 2025. So it's great. Now, what am I doing exactly? Well, what I do is I wait for this 9 to 10 o'clock candlestick to close. And as the market is closing, what I'm monitoring specifically is on the upper right hand side of TradingView, 1, 2, 3 icons down, I look for the object tree and data window. And what I'm looking at, what's called this high price, right? This high. So here, this high shows 29315.00. That's important because I want to buy one tick above that candlestick wick high. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, and this is pure for educational reasons only. I'm not telling you to do this at all. There's risk involved in trading. And even though this has a great track record, there's no guarantees of a positive outcome. This could all end today, right? We could just lose every single trade after this. There's risk involved in trading. Very important you understand that. Okay. So in this process, if I wanted to buy, I want to go to I use NinjaTrader to place my trades. And so what I will use an order, and I will zoom in, and I'm going to find 29315.25. I'm going to do that by right-clicking over my candlestick until I find 29315.25. I like that. I like to use what's called a buy stop limit order, which is a limit entry order, which means I'm telling my broker, give me that price or better only when that price is touched, right? If I used a buy stop market order, a market order just says, get me in the trade. Whenever that price is touched, get me in that trade. And then that opens the door to slippage, which means the broker could give you a worse fill. And if you're only going after 20 ticks, let's say the broker slips you 3 ticks, that's 15% of the profit. So like, that's not good. And so I like buy stop limit order. Now, NinjaTrader offers what's called an ATM strategy, Advanced Trade Management, where you can automatically add your stop, automatically add your limit beforehand. And so that's a neat feature. I like to use that too as well. So then what ends up taking place is the ideal scenario is when or if the market rallies, right? The market will enter me in. My limit is placed automatically, my stop is placed automatically, and then the results are the results. All right, so the routine and what I like to do is when I come into the morning after I kind of do all my other stuff, I will wait until the 9 to 10 o'clock candlestick closes just before it. On NinjaTrader, I'll use a buy stop limit order, one tick above my 9 to 10 o'clock candlestick wick high. I go after 20 ticks. Please keep in mind the risk is larger than the reward. The reward is smaller than the risk. It just simply wins a lot. So I use TradingView charts and I use NinjaTrader to actually place my trade. I like NinjaTrader because they have that buy stop limit order with stops and limits for the brackets attached to my entry, which I like a lot. Please keep in mind there is risk involved in trading. You should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs, or stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. What that means is we're not here to dictate your trades. We're not here to tell you to enter in or exit, pick contract sizes. We don't do stuff like that. We are pure educators. If you want to learn, we want to teach. Past performance not indicative of future results. What that means is There's no guarantees of a positive outcome. This is trading. There's risk involved in every single trade. If I place a trade, I could lose my very next trade. There's no guarantee that I'm going to win my next trade. You need to be aware that there's no guarantee that you're going to win your next trade. It doesn't matter that we have track records. It doesn't matter that we have checklists. It doesn't matter that we have experience. None of that matters. There's risk involved, and you need to understand the risk involved when you decide to do this, okay? Look at us like a newspaper. We'll share with you our research, walk you through our trade ideas, but ultimately what you do with this information is up to you. All right, everyone. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, I like to use TradingView charts, and I like to use NinjaTrader to place the trade. So TradingView to analyze the market, find the opportunity, NinjaTrader to actually execute and place the trade. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day.